Okay, so we are making it out today. You can see that it's pretty much as full as possible, with filling it up a whopping 28 cents because I filled it up before I got home last time I rode. And today's video is going to be about seeing how many actual real life miles you can get out of the tank of the Triumph Bobber. So this is the 2.4 liter tank. The new 2023s come with a 3.1. Triumph says that you can get 146 miles on this tank. It says you can get 189 miles on the new tank, but we're gonna cycle through here. So let's see. For anyone that cares, I have just over 9,000 miles on my 2018 Bobber Black. So trip 1 zeroed out, trip 2 zeroed out, and it is saying until I need fuel is 79 miles. I think I'm gonna be down to 0 on that. That's what I'm going for. I don't want the bike to shut off, but that is going to be a possibility end of today. But I am aiming to get that to 0. I don't know why it says 79. Normally it says like 80 some when I get a full tank. And for anyone wondering, I woke up not being able to breathe through my nose, so that is why my voice sounds like this. We're gonna make it up to Annapolis, gotta run an errand or two real quick, and then gonna do some real life riding, so as much back roads as possible, just doing a huge loop of my local riding roads. Forgot to tell you guys, if you guys didn't see the last video, I had this door come flying up when I was riding, so for the foreseeable future I'm gonna have this bad boy on there. But also, let's get our first picture of the day. Alright, so we have met up with Amir, as you guys can see back there, with the new angle for the 360 camera. And now we are making our voyage to see how many miles till this bad boy pretty much goes dry. We are stopping. Amir is grabbing some fuel, and we are about 50 miles in and in a very congested area right now. So yeah, I'm gonna swap this back because I'm changing the batteries, and then we'll be back on the road. so we just got some nice coffee at the Lobby Coffee Bar and Cafe, but when we left the water spot, it was about 69, 70 miles, and it dropped down 2 bars on fuel. So you're at about a half a tank when it drops down, but this is pretty much on par with what Triumph says. But we have about an hour before sunset, which means if I'm going until we run out of fuel, it will be nighttime, which is not what I wanted, but we'll see how it goes. So the very last pit stop and battery change. This is my last set of batteries, and the gas light finally just came on when I restarted my bike. Triumph states that it should come on around 111 miles, and we are at 110, so it is pretty much right on point. Now there should be 30 miles left. Let's go, see what we can get. Alright guys, so we just got back to the same pump that I filled up on this morning. As you guys can see, 4 miles left until the bike is completely empty. Got, let's see, 136.1 miles. More miles than I thought I was going to get, and a little bit less than what Triumph says. But I didn't want to fully run out because it is an hour after sunset, so I'm going to turn the bike off, fill up, and head home. As well as wanted to thank Amir for coming with me for today's video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I just put 2.317 gallons of fuel in my bike. And like I said, this tank only holds 2.4. So I got a receipt because I want to keep this, because I think it's cool that basically ran the bike out of fuel. Of course, that will get replaced if I actually run out of fuel one day, but so thank you guys for coming along for today's video. This is something I've actually been wanting to do for quite some time, to see how many miles I can actually get, and now I have the answer. So it's not quite what they say, but this is my real type of riding. 136.1 is what I got to have only 4 miles left. If you guys have made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for your support. It means so much to me. If you guys have liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below, and subscribe, and let's see where we go next.